There's air pollution all over the world, especially in urban areas, but with wildfires even more so in areas that are not urban. Southeast Asia is impacted by both urban air pollution emissions, wildfire emissions, and many other emissions, but it's resource limited here. So we're trying to bring people together on the science side, on the policy side, community side, to talk together and work together to solve these problems.
What I hope to learn here is to have a more structured approach to addressing the air quality issues, understanding the tools that are required to access this funding, to engage with our government, our sister agencies.
The Air Sensor conference is unique in a way that we are discussing technology. We are surrounding the conversation around a piece of equipment that has come into use by scientists and academics and people who work on advocacy. And there are a lot of ways people can use this new device that they have started to understand how it works. Scientists use it for their research, and they come to the conference to talk about how did they use the data, how did they analyze the data.
It's not only about sensors or data or science. It's really about community, because we're not just talking about sensing air quality and putting numbers out there and doing research and presenting a research. It's about solving the world's most pressing problem, where over 90% of the world lives in cities with pollution well above safe limits.
I would encourage any company that thinks that they want to be more relevant in terms of making a difference in our cities, right, where air pollution is a big problem. And here at ASIC, we've seen companies we've never heard about before. And I think now researchers know that they exist, the community knows exists, and other manufacturers can actually exchange with them information about how they are, what technologies they're using to address the problems.
So it's very amazing that through the TPC we get to have more collaborations, and people are from different expertise, but ultimately it's the same goal of wanting to make use of the data and information towards action. So you see, the TPC is of varying backgrounds, varying countries, and varying priorities, but at the end of the day we all go down into this event to make sure that we make use of what's the latest in sensor technologies and how we're going to do that for air quality management.
I would say if ASIC engage with the regulator and also convene the forum with the academic as well as to the United Nations Environment Program and other UNDP programs like Clarity and others are engaged with them, so in this way the knowledge and technical expertise will definitely guide them and engage the political will, and so its overall ecosystem will evolve in a way that is supported by the international best practice and knowledge to implement on ground by those respective countries where the regulators are operating. So that is the thing which I think ASIC should add the value, and it will be added value for ASIC.